When you look at the windows in a home like this, or one like this, you have to wonder if a brand of windows is good enough for the builders who built these homes. Isn't that the brand of windows you should be using? Introducing the new Hurd. We've spent the past year developing some exciting new windows, but more importantly, we've been building a whole new window company. And in the process, we've discovered that the builders who use our products are perfectionists. They demand the best, and frankly, they won't accept anything less. Take a look. Discover the new Hurd. Windows, doors, perfection.